Welcome to our channel, where we explore the green revolution. Today, we're unveiling the power of hemp food, a nutritious and sustainable option that's taking the world by storm. Hemp, scientifically known as cannabis sativa, is a versatile plant that has been used for centuries. But today, we're focusing on its incredible potential as a food source. Did you know that hemp seeds are packed with essential nutrients? These little powerhouses are filled with protein, healthy fats, and fiber, making them a perfect addition to any diet. And don't worry, hemp seeds are completely safe to eat. They contain very little to no THC, the psychoactive compound found in marijuana. One of the most impressive benefits of hemp food is its high protein content. In fact, hemp seeds are considered a complete protein, meaning they provide all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies need. Whether you're a vegan, vegetarian, or just looking to add more plant-based protein into your diet, hemp food is an excellent choice. Beyond protein, hemp seeds are rich in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which are crucial for brain development and maintaining a healthy heart. These fatty acids promote brain function, reduce inflammation, and support overall cardiovascular health. Not only is hemp food nutritious, but it's also environmentally friendly. Hemp plants require minimal water and pesticides to grow, making them a sustainable option compared to other crops. By incorporating hemp into our diets, we can make a positive impact on the planet. So whether you're sprinkling hemp seeds on your yogurt, blending them into smoothies, or enjoying hemp protein powder in your favorite recipes, you're not just fueling your body, but also contributing to a greener future. Thanks for watching this video on the power of hemp food. If you enjoyed it, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Stay tuned for our next exploration of the green revolution.